Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to multiply in base 7. Let's look at some examples. We have 5 in base 7 multiplied by 6 in base 7. 6 times 5 is 30, and 30 in base 7 is 4 remainder 2. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 4 is 16, and 16 in base 7 is 2 remainder 2. 3 times 5 is 15, and 15 in base 7 is 2 remainder 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 in base 7 is 1 remainder 1. We then add. Have 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 0 plus 1 is 1. So you have 1,332 in base 7. Let's look at more examples. We have 345 in base 7 multiplied by 5 in base 7. 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 in base 7 is 3 remainder 4. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 3 is 23. 23 in base 7 is 3 remainder 2. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 in base 7 is 2 remainder 4. So we have 2, 4, 2, 4 all in base 7. Let's look at more examples. We have 3, 4, 3 in base 7 multiplied by 2, 4 in base 7. 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 in base 7 is 1 remainder 5. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. 17 in base 4 is 2 remainder 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 in base 7 is 2 remainder 0. 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 in base 7 is 0 remainder 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 in base 7 is 1 remainder 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 in base 7 is 0 remainder 1. We then add. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 6 is 9. And 9 in base 7 is 1 remainder 2. 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. And 0 plus 1 is 1. So we have 1, 2, 2, 2, 5 in base 7. Thank you for watching.